Okay, suppose like we'll have one file, simple file, ID, name, city, 1, Ravin, Hyderabad, 2, Kumar, Chennai. Simple file I'm taking. Okay, so once I couple, I'll give a complicated. Okay, so go to okay, see, make sure. Okay, so assume this is my EMP file. Okay, so this file I want to load into Snowflake table. Tell me what are the steps we should follow in one. So this file I want to load into Snowflake. Tell me in one.
First,
Yes.
we need to create the table in Snowflake.
So in the worksheet, we need to load the data.
Okay, see, directly we're having what? See, go back here. Okay, see, go to Snow site. So Snow site UI. So click for new worksheet. Okay, now what happened? So try to create one database. So 1 second. So create database. So for understanding, yesterday some people are not as that's why I'm trying to create database. Suppose like load dev db. Okay, so loading dev database. Same thing. Now we should create one schema. Okay, so create schema load dev sc. Now tell me who will create this database and schemas in real-time projects? Which guys will create?
Admin.
Snowflake admin will create.
Snowflake
Okay, admin.
admin.
Okay. So now I want to create what is my database name, schema name, and username. How to get? By using select
Current
current database. Okay, so database, same thing, current schema. Okay, current. How to get user? We'll get current user. Okay, so user. So this is my username. So load devdb dev schema. So this is my username. Okay. Okay, so now what happened? Okay, see. So we'll explain one more time. So which is my database? Okay, so load devdb dev schema. As of now, tables are not. Okay, now what happened? So first step is that what based on this file, what we should create in Snowflake? Based on this file, what we should create? Table should be created. Okay, so who will create these tables? Which guys? Which guys will create?
Developers.
So we only Snowflake developer will try to create the tables, views, sequence, all this. So database objects will be created by Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. So suppose like EMP, assume let's say Teradata. So mute yourself. Okay, see, ID, it's a number. Name, it's a varchar. Same thing, city, it's a varchar. Okay, see what happened. Now try to copy the same thing, try to execute in Snowflake, Snowsite UI. Okay, so try to create. Okay, see table has been created. Now data is there what? So data is there in local machine. Okay, now this is concept is called what? Loading the data from local machine to Snowflake is called as data loading or data migration. So see, go back here. Okay, see now data is there here. From here, so from here, I want to take this data and I want to load into Snowflake table. Suppose like, so go back here. So this is what? EMP file. Okay, EMP file. Okay, now what happened? So EMP file, we want to load into Snowflake. So this is called as what? Snowflake table data loading or data migration. So from here, we are trying to take the data and trying to put into Snowflake table. Okay, see the same thing. So go back here. So refresh the same thing. So database, schema, table. So go back here. Now click on this value. Now try to load data. Okay, how can you load? Tell me. Now where is my file? Go to this PC, users, public. Okay, what is my file name? So Teradata EMP. Okay, now try to go for next. Okay, now which is the file format? Tell me. So it's a what file format? It's a txt or csv file format. Okay, so go back here, select the same thing. Now try to load. What the issue? See, it will throw. It will throw. So fail to load. See, from file we are trying to load into EMP table. So file to load. This is called as data loading or data migration from the flat files to Snowflake tables. Now what happened? Error on line number 1. So it's a numeric value. What does the numeric value say? What issue? Tell me numeric value say. It's a data type issue. Okay, so it's a data type issue. So why it's a data type issue? Because because what? So Snowflake assuming so this also has one record, but we know these two are records. First one is the heading. Now what happens? So see the same thing. Okay, so go back here. So see, so step by step understand the things again. Okay, go scroll down. Okay, now what happens? See, now what we should click? So skip first line. We should skip first line. Okay, now control minus. Okay, see, reset. Okay, now, so see, show SQL what happened. Okay, see, copy the same value. So listen carefully, this one only. So for all this thing, like 4 or 5 topics are important. Okay, so copy into, so database name, schema name, and the table name. This is called as what? This is called as what? It's a fully qualified name.
Fully
So
qualified
database name and schema name and object name. Tell me why we should mention fully qualified name. What's the purpose? What's the purpose to create fully qualified name? So because in real time they'll have multiple databases, development database, testing database, production. So we should be precise. Okay, so database name, schema name, table names. Copy into table. Now data is there what? In the temporary location. So from the temporary location we are taking the file and we are loading to Snowflake table. Okay, now we're using the file. This is my file. So this is my file, Teradata EMP. So file format, CSV file. Skip header. What is the purpose of skip header? So it will remove the first line. Okay, same thing. So field limited is what? Each thing is delimited by comma. Got the point? See, go back here. Now try to load. Okay. Now see, so 2 rows were successfully inserted. So go, no issues. Okay, see, refresh the same thing. Now 2 records are inserted. Now one more time. So instead of comma, we'll see one more time. So for understanding purpose, okay, I'm putting something like dollar symbol. Okay, so replace. Okay, now what happens? So this is my file. Now go back here. Now try to load one more time. Load data. So browse. Okay, see, it's a CSV file. So this is file. Okay, got the pointer. So go back here. Okay, see, now what happened? We should skip header first line. Why is the purpose of skipping this header? Tell me.
Snowflake it will consider first line as well as the column.
Okay, see what happens. So Snowflake assuming what? So first line also has one head, one record. But what happens? So we should remove this thing. So we should put like this value. Okay, see. So scroll down. So skip first line. Okay, see, you go back here. Now try to load. What happens? Okay. So see what happens. Okay. Error on line number 3, character 1. So new number of columns in file does not match the corresponding table. What exactly is it? Tell me, anyone? Anybody can tell me what exactly? So back. Okay, see, control minus, show SQL. Copy the same thing. Okay, so see, get to the point. So see, copy into, so database name, schema name, Teradata. Now what happened? What issue? Tell me. So issues that what? Issues that what? Tell me. Anyone? We discussed the same thing yesterday. Tell me what is the issue? What is the issue?
So the format of file is different. We need
File
to change.
delimiter is dollar, right?
Okay, see what happens. See, number of columns in file is 1, but how many columns are there? There are 3 columns. Okay, how many records are there? How many columns are there? See, number of columns in file is 1. Okay, so see the same thing, and does not match the corresponding table. So how many columns are in the table? We're having, so 3 columns. So see, simple thing only. So what happened? So in a table we're having ID, name, city. But what happened? Number of columns in file. See what happened? Snowflake assuming. So see, we mentioned field limiter as what? Comma. But Snowflake assuming like what? So this will access entire thing as one column. Okay, telling, get the point. See, so what happened? Normally syntax is that what? Insert into table values. Okay, suppose like 1, 2, 3, it will work or not? It will work. Same thing if I go back, if I try it like this, it will work. Tell me, there are 3 columns are there, now 1 column, so it doesn't work. Got the point, Asim? So now how to rectify this issue? How to rectify this issue? Tell me. So instead of comma, we should put delimiter as what? What is delimiter? Dollar. Okay, see, field limiter. Okay, see, dollar is there. Dollar is not. Then how to write? Dollar is, so we should go for custom. Okay, then put dollar symbol. Okay, so show a scale. So see, dollar symbol. Got the pointer. So we can sometimes we'll have customized this file format. Okay, now try to load. So see, 2 rows. See, from the file we are trying to load into Snowflake table. So 2 rows were successfully done. So done. Okay, see, now go back here one more time. Now, so Control D, or else like. So third record, suppose like something like simple. First understand this concept, then go for complicated multiple files or anything. Okay, now see the same thing, fourth record. So see, now this is my file. Okay, see, go back here. Now try to truncate. Tell me in Snowflake, truncate is DDL or DML?
DML.
DML. Okay, so
here it's Snowflake.
So DML. Okay, now what happens? So there are no records are there. Now try to refresh the same thing. Okay, see, load data, go back here, load data. Okay, so browse. Okay, so what is the file? So go back here, user. Okay, so Teradata. Okay, see, next. So these are basic but important thing. Okay, so interest also they'll ask the same. Okay, now try to what the issue? It will say, so numeric value. So what we should do? We should put skip header. Okay, same thing. So see, load, what happened? So fail to load data, Teradata, see what happened? A numeric value issue. Okay, so now what happened? See, there are totally how many records are there? 6 records are there. Out of 6 records, so few records are error records. But what happened? Tell me, what happened? So no records are getting loaded. Why? Because tell me, what is the reason? Why no records? So see what happened. So click the same thing. So try to load data. So browse. Okay, see Teradata. Okay, see the same thing. So next. Okay, see CSV file. Now skip header 1. Now see what happened. Show a skill, copy the same value. These are important. I'm trying to put, okay, see, copy into database name, schema name, table name from the temporal location. So file format CSV, skip header 1. So field limit comma only. But what happens? See, what the issue? See, on error equal to abort statement. What exactly it means? Tell me. So if any error occurs, what happened? Important.
It should
If
stop the execution.
Okay, okay, it will not load any data, any records in the database table. See what happens? See, on equal to abort statement. See, suppose like we are having 100 records are there. Okay, 100 records are there. Suppose like 910 records are valid records. Okay, one error record occurred. What happens? So it doesn't load single record. Okay, got the point. It will stop the operation. Okay, see what happened? But I want to load only valid data. Okay, see, I want to load only valid data. Tell me, how can load only valid data? We should mention what is the keyword? Keyword what? On error equal to continue. Okay, see, go back here. So see, so hide SQL. So you should be comfortable with this here. So UI has been changed. Okay, see, so go back here. So control minus, okay, see. So by default, what? On a, see, do not load any data, that is default, but we need to load valid data from the file. Okay, see. So load, got the point. So it will get, see, we'll see what errors are there. So there are totally 60 cards are there. Out of 60 cards, okay, got the point. See, like this, 2 records. Okay, so we'll see what. Okay, we'll see error record later point of time. As I now understand. So that totally 60 cards are there. Out of 60 cards, 4 are valid, 2 are error records. Okay, see. So go back here and cross verify. So 4 records are got the point. This is the same thing. Okay, see. If we want to load valid data, only on equal to continue. If any error occur, I want some on equal to abort statement. So this is same thing. Now what happens? So limitation of this UI is that what? What's the limitation of this UI? Tell me. Simple thing. See what happened.
250 MB.
File size 250 MB data.
Okay, see. So what happens is size limitation. See, so it supports CSV, TST, TSV, tab separate value, JSON, ORC. But what happened? So file size limit only 250 MB. Suppose like, so client given, so 1, 0. So in the Scrum call, what is Scrum call? Tell me, anybody remember a status call?
Daily
What
update call.
So daily update. So we should give updates to our works to all the team members and the Scrum Master. Okay, see what happened? A 0 ticket assigned on my name, saying that try to load 255 MB file. Okay, to test. Okay, so this file is they sent in a mail. Okay, so I have downloaded the file, and it is there in my local machine. But what happened? Tell me, drawback of this UI is that what you can load only 250 MB. So if suppose like 255. Now how to rectify this issue? So what's the option you should load? What is the option you should go? Tell me.
No, it's
So
SQL
SnowSQL. Okay, see what happened. So Snowflake can be logged in by using SnowSite UI classic console. Okay, then one more thing is that what? SnowSQL, SnowSite UI, classic console, SnowSQL. First two are user interface, last is the CLI, it's a command line interface. Everything we should write in commands. Now, how to download SnowSQL? Tell me. So, anybody download? So, SnowSQL.
I downloaded.
Download. Okay, see, download and try to practice. Okay, see, SnowSQL. SnowSQL download. Okay, see, download. Now what happens? So C will be click on this first one. So SnowSQL. Okay, so like this. Okay, go to SnowSQL download. So if you're using Mac, see, go back here. So we can able to go for click. So just click next. That's it. Okay. Now what happened? Click for Windows. Go search for terminal or search for CMD command prompt. Okay. So I'm having terminal. So click for terminal. Okay. How to log into SnowSQL? Important. SnowSQL hyphen a account identifier hyphen
u username.
Username. Okay, see account. So control D. So duplicate data. Okay, how to get the account identifier? So go back here, cancel all these things. Okay, see.
Profile.
So see profile. So click on this value. So this is my account. Okay, see. Tell me, we are in which edition? Which edition? We are working in enterprise edition. I'm using AWS cloud and my company client is Singapore client. Okay, see. So click on this value. So see, copy this account URL. Okay, see, copy the same value. So put here. Okay, hyphen username. How to get the username? Tell me. How to get the username? Select current user. Current user. Okay, see, we'll get the user. So Praveen SF. Copy the same thing and try to put here. Okay, now where we should execute? Copy the same value. Try to execute in the. Okay, see. Now what happens? So this is right click. Okay, right click. Terminal. Okay. Okay, see now what happens? Same, this is the user ID. We should give password. You should give from same as SnowSet. Okay, now so Praveen SF compute WH. So what is Praveen SF? Username. What is compute WH?
Warehouse.
It's a virtual warehouse. Okay, see, so virtual warehouse, what is the purpose of virtual warehouse? Okay, if you want to perform DML or DRL, data load, we'll see later point of view, understand data loading or data unloading. Okay, see, for task, all this thing, what we should require computation power. Who will give the computation power? This virtual warehouse. It's a virtual warehouse. So username virtual warehouse. Now what is my database? So how to get the database? Use database and a database name. So what's the database name? So load devdb, same thing, use schema name. Tell me why we are using it's a CLI, because we are working with the commands only, command line interface. Okay, so show tables value like this, select star from Teradata. So see, we're writing this 4 records are there. Okay, so we can able to truncate. So same thing, just is a commands. Okay, so truncate table. So Teradata. So as I know, so see, up we can use up arrow. Okay, see, no records are there. Okay, now go back here. Now see why you are coming here. Tell me why you are coming CLI, because my file size is, what is my file size? It's a 255 MB. Okay, now what happened now? So important, listen carefully. So okay, see, so this is my input size. Okay, so assuming this is my emp.txt. So this is my Snowflake emp table. Okay, now what happened from this file? I want to load into Snowflake table. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. Directly we can load. We should put in some temporary location. See, important. So Snowflake also what? They are not directly loading. They are taking the file and they are putting in some temporary location. This temporary location called as what? Stages. Okay, see, remember, so directly, so see, point, you understand the points, directly we can't load into Snowflake table. We should put into some temporary location. From temporary location we should load into Snowflake table. Important. So right here, so file, local machine, from local machine take the file and try to load into Snowflake table. Okay, now what happened? How to load? So we should put in some temporary location for loading, and so it's called as what? Stages. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. Stages are nothing but again divided into internal stage and external stage. Okay, so what is internal stage? Tell me. Internal stage nothing but, so files will be stored inside Snowflake or outside Snowflake?
Inside Snowflake.
Files will be stored inside Snowflake. What about this one? Files will be what? Outside Snowflake, like nothing but what? So it supports, it can be AWS, it can be Azure, or it can be GCP. Okay, so files will be stored inside Snowflake. It's a internal stage. Outside Snowflake, it's a external stage. Got the point? Now again, these are divided into what? These are very important. Tell me again. These stages are divided into
2
or 3. Okay, what are those things?
local
User space,
User.
table space, table space.
Okay, see, user stage, table stage, and named internal stage. Okay, see what happened. So remember, all these 3 are accessed by what? By using @ symbol. Okay, see, so this is what @ tell me, remember what is syntax?
Tilted.
Tilt. Tell me what about these things? @ one second.
Percentage.
@ percentage. We'll see detail. We'll close this topic. Okay, @ percentage table name. Okay, see, same thing is @ named stage. Okay, so what about this thing? How can @ external stage? Okay, got the point. See, all this can be accessed with the help of @ symbol. See, how can I see the files? By using list @ tilt. Same thing. List @ percentage table name. Same thing. List @ okay, see, named stage. So remember, we should work mainly based on the like data migration part only. Okay, so named stage, external stage. Okay, now go back here. So see, go back here. What is my username? Tell me username is what? So what's username? Tell me. Select current user. Okay, see user. So bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? List @tilt. Okay, so this is what stage? This is what stage? User stage. So user stage. Okay, we'll see the difference. So before that, tell me. So file is there what? File is in my local machine. Now I want to place into temporal location. How can I place this into temporal location? With the help of what concept? Tell me.
Put command.
Put command. Or what? What is the thing?
Copy into.
Copy for loading. Copy is for loading only. Okay, so first we should load. Okay, see. First, we should take the file from local machine and we should put into Snowflake stages with the help of put command. Okay, so syntax for put command. So put file path stage. Okay, see control D. So where is the file? So remember, so right click the same thing. So before that, we'll go for positive scenarios. Okay. So copy the same thing. So full file path to clipboard and paste here. Okay, see now what happened, and make sure like don't have the spaces in middle. Okay, so @tilt. Okay, now tell me what we are trying to do. So anybody can able to tell what exactly we are trying to do? Anyone?
We are taking file from local and we are putting that files to stage user stage.
Okay, so
Named stage.
not named stage. This is user stage, no? So
Sir,
see.
internal.
Okay, so we are taking the file. See, put command what? Taking the file from local machines and we are putting into Snowflake, that is user stage. Snowflake into that is user stage. Okay, now copy the same thing and try to execute in UI. Okay, tell me it work. Anyone? It won't work. What's saying? Because
No.
so in Snowflake UI or classic console, so put command and get command won't work in UI. It will work what? In the CLI. Okay, see now copy the same value, try to execute the same thing. Okay, see. So go back here. So right click. Okay, now see. Okay, see. So source targets a GZIP format converting. So see what happened. So uploaded. So file has been taken from local machine. It is getting uploaded to stages. Now how to see this data? Tell me how to see this data. So list @tilt. What happened? So see, we can able. Now how to see this data? Tell me. Select it will work. Huh?
$1 command.
So star will work for only for table. Okay, we should go for select $1, $2, $3. How many columns are there? So based on that, we should mention. So from @tilt. Okay, see what happened there? 3 columns. So see, we are getting null value. Now, how to load into table? Tell me. So we are getting this data here. Now this data I want to load to Snowflake table. So by using which command we can load into Snowflake table? Tell me. Tell me. Copy into statement. Okay, copy into load. Got the point? Understand a little bit. Okay, this is important. Okay, for all data loading, data unloading, all these things, data sharing. Okay, see. Okay, see, put command copy into Snowflake table. Syntax what is here already is there. Okay, see. So we'll go for one more time UI. From the UI, we'll try to load. I'll take the load data. So browse. So Teradata. So scroll control minus. So next. So take multiple files, try to load. Okay, should be comfortable ultimately. Okay, see, go back here. Now, so skip first line. So see, show SQL, copy this value. Okay, see, copy is there here. Okay, now see, important, control N, control V. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so for understanding purpose, what I am trying to remove all these things. Okay, or else like same thing, copy the same value. Here also same value. Okay, so copy into this thing. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. So Snowflake using what? They are using some temper location, but our file is there what? File is there what? Tell me. Where is our file? @tilt, no? Yes or no? See, our file is there. User stage. Okay, see. So copy into table name from address field. So file format. So same thing. Okay, see, same thing. Copy the same value. Now where we should execute? We can execute anywhere. We can execute here or we can execute in the UI. Okay, see. So try to execute here. See, loaded 3 rows, loaded successfully. Okay. What about the file? Tell me, file will be there or not? Use up arrow. Tell me, file will be there or not? Anyone?
No, it will remove
Why?
the pulse from the stage
Purge equals
because
to
pulse
true.
equal to true.
Okay, see what happened. So list address what happened when you exit here, what happened? We mentioned so purge equal to true. So purge equal to true in the sense like what? So once file loaded, what happened? Tell me. So purge load, what happened? Once file loaded, we are removing the file. Okay,
From
so
the stage.
so we are asking Snowflake to remove the file from where? Local machine or what? From the stages. Okay, now what happened? So try to go for one more time. Use up arrow. Same thing. Now file is there. Okay, see, go back here. Now try to make stuff. So purge equal to false. What happened? Tell me. Okay, now see. Okay, it's loaded successfully. Got the pointer. So now file will be there or not? So see. So we'll see the file. File will be there. Okay, go back here. List as titled. So file will be there. Got the pointer? Little bit. Yes or no? Yes, getting the points. So see, that's what. Okay, so this is the way we can able to get it. Okay, so this is you will see the difference. This is user stage. Okay, now what happened? Same thing. Now what is table stage? Tell me. Table stage is nothing but what? Okay, see, I am trying to so list show tables. Will give list of tables. So list at the rate. So what is my table name? So what is how to access the table stage? List at the rate percentage table name. Okay, see one more time. Suppose like list at the rate percentage. See what happened? It is saying what? So stage load dev db dev schema. So does not exist or not. Now what happens? Suppose like I try to create table I number. Now what happens? See, try to create. Now what happens? So see, stage will get automatic. So what's the conclusion? So by default, important. So by default, when we create any user, what happen? User stage will be automatically created. Same thing, control team. So by default, when you create any table, what happen? Which stage will created? Table stage will get automatically created. Getting the point, sir? Okay, see. So remember, so by default, when you create any user, user stage will get automatically. So by default, when you create any, see what happened? Suppose like I'll go for one more thing. Now, see it's saying table stage does not. Now copy the same value. Now try to create one table. Now what happened? Tell me. So table stage will get automatically created. Got the point? No? Yes or no? Now see the same use case. Now this is my main table. Now I want to create one. What happened? So files are there. So how to remove the files? So remove @ percentage. So file we are trying to remove. So now there are no files are there. Okay. Now this is my main table. I want to create a backup table. What are the ways where we can able to create a backup table? Tell me.
Clone.
Okay. CTES, clone and like. So without data, I want to load the data. Then without data, I want to create one table. What is the way we should go for? Where condition,
Like
or we'll go for
false.
like concept also. Okay, see, so create table something like, so we can backup like my original table. Now what happened? Tell me. So by default, what is created? By default, you table stage will get automatically created. Got the point? It's important. Little bit carefully listen. So list @ so percentage C. By default, when you create any table, table stage will get automatically created. Okay. Now copy the same thing. Important. So use up arrow. Okay. Now tell me what exactly I'm trying to do. Simple thing. You should say what exactly I'm doing. This line.
So you're trying to load local files into table stage.
So by using put command, we are taking the file from local machine and we are placing into which stage? Table stage. Snowflake internal stable stage. Okay, see what happened. Okay, see, now go back here. Now tell me file will be there here or 28th line or 29th line. File will be there where? Where the file will be there? So file will be there here and file will be there, not be there, because so we are trying to load for in the particular table stage. Now what happened? See, important. Now copy the same value. Okay. Now tell me file is there, one of our file is there where? So copy into table. Now file is what? In the table stage. Okay. So copy the same thing. Now try to execute. Important. Okay. See. So both are same table and same stage. Try to execute. See what happened? We put what's equal to false. Huh? Okay. See file not working. Suppose like now file what happened?
Praveen.
So file will be 1 second. 1 second. Let me complete. We'll go. Okay. See.
Ah.
So okay. So now what happened? So see the same thing. Now file I have uploaded. Now I made purge equal to false. Now try to execute. Okay, see what happened. So see copy into table. So file has been. Now see file will be there or not? Tell me file will be there or not? So file will be there because we made purge equal to false. Now so important point. See both are same table stage. Now important. So now what happened? Now I am putting here. Now this is different table stage and different table. It will work or not? Anyone? Any idea?
Yes.
Okay, see what
Yes.
happens. So it won't work. See. So access. See what happened. Anyone can able tell what exactly happened here? Anyone? So tell me. So link expert come back. Okay. See access to the stage area of a table with the schema of on the table is not allowed. Tell me what exactly happened. Simple thing only.
So within that schema, that
Two different
table
tables
stage
are
will
there.
not be accessed, right?
Okay. See conclusion is that what? See when you have same table, it is work. See so Control Z. So when you have it's same table is working. But what happens? So this is different table, different. Suppose like I'll try to upload. Now see file uploaded. Now try to load. What happens? So both are same table stage. Okay, see. So BKP. Okay, see both are same thing. Now it will work or not? It will work because so both are same. So but what happens? So when it's works up like if I go for different thing, it won't work. Reason is that what? So same table stage it work. Got the point? So